welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, a safe day. It's a TGIF, folks, in the summer. Make it a great one. This quote's by Chuck Knox. Always have a plan and believe in it. Nothing good happens by accident. I'm not too sure about that, actually, but market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. Dow Industrial's up 74, Nasdaq's down 27, S&P's a flat, gold contract up $1.90, trading at $1,173 an ounce. Silver down 5 cents at $15.75 an ounce. Platinum off $4 at $1,079 an ounce. Copper up 2 pennies at $2.60 for a pound. Light sweet crude down 12 cents at $59.58 a barrel. Bonds, we have the 10-year down 19 ticks, 124.31. 30-year off 2 full points at 127.18. King dollar up 248 ticks, trading at 95.64. You got the euro down 40 at 111, and the yen is trading up 24 at 123.87. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Okay, so check it out, folks. You can expect more volatility right into the close out here today, too, because the deception out here today, folks, has to do with the Dow Industrials. You know, the Dow had been as high as 18,000. Right now, we're at 17,965, so we're up 75. We're up $1.25. Inside the Dow, however, the mover in there is all of Nike. Nike is up $4.33. Trading at 109.55. McDonald's is the second one at 123. United Healthcare is 137, and 3M is 136. On the way down, Intel is dragging on it down 91. You got Microsoft off 36. Cisco's down 15, and you get DuPont off 28. S&Ps. So check out the S&Ps, folks. So what we have is this. What I do expect you're going to see here is you're going to see another sell-off coming into the close. We just had a nice bounce. The market had opened up, sold down, just had a bounce. Bottom line, we'll see where this whole thing shakes out. But so your SPY is trading at 210.01. Your benchmark is 212.24. We're going to close below the benchmark on the daily, unless it's a monster rally. I don't see it. And also on the weekly. Now, on the weekly, what we have is this. When we put up the weekly, you are right in the middle of a range, basically. And we're not at the lowest swing point. The lowest swing point out here is 207.69. Volume for the week really has been light. Okay, we did 394 million thus far. The low that was established last week, we did 600 million. So when we look at that aspect, bottom line, we're below the range, meaning below the benchmark. That's saying that you're going to go after the low. And what's going to be intriguing, of course, is that we're coming into July 4th next week. Now, what happens with July 4th, now this is where this gets really wild. The July 4th weekend itself, coming up to it, is normally a bullish occurrence, okay? We'll see if, in fact, that can happen. So you have two different aspects happening. You get July 4th. People like buying stocks at July 4th. First part. Second part, we have window dressing that is starting basically today. Coming into, well, window dressing really starting next Monday. You know, we'll see whether we get window dressing or window smashing. That's the real bottom line. Thus far, this is a market that still wants to get into lower price. We go to the NDX 100. We take a look at the 3 Qs. What do you have with the 3 Qs? 3 Qs right now are trading at a price point of 109.44. That 109.44 still is not going to get us into the lower range. So check this out. We're teetering right on it, folks. It's 109.42. So where this closes is important. There's no doubt. And I'm not, what I'm doing here, by the way, I'm not taking the high that was established at the 111 area. The reason being is that what I'm doing is I'm taking, on the S&P, I'm using the benchmark of February 25th. That was the first high that was established that we've been consolidating since then. We've gone over it a few times. We haven't been able to hold it. What I'm doing on the NDX 100 is that I'm taking that similar time frame. In this case, the NDX 100 made a higher high March 6th. So that benchmark is 109.42. Now, the Qs have got to 108.86, and I expect as we come into this close, you're going to see them close below that. But we're that close to getting into a lower level inside the Qs. The IWM, we take a look at the IWM. What do we have inside the small caps? And the Russell 2000 on the close is going to get rebalanced. So specifically what we're going to have, there is going to be a monster amount of volume come in this market. Right now, the 3 Qs are trading out at 127.55, and that benchmark is 126.32. You know, so that Russell 2000 has quite a way to get into lower price in order to get below the benchmark that we're talking about. We got to take a look at the gold contract. What do we have with gold? For all you gold bugs and metal bugs out here, we made it through another Friday without getting toasted and roasted. Gold out here is trading out at 1173.80. It rejected lower price. We got down to 1167. It rejected that lower price. It had lighter volume. It did everything that it should have done, meaning no sellers. What we need absolutely is buyers. Bottom line, though, I suspect what you're going to see out here, we've done 97,000 contracts out here today. 97,000 is going into 150,000. So you can see, bottom line, there's not enough juice to rack this baby lower. We'll see what kind of juice we can get on the top side. Now, let's get over and we take a look at, here we go, right here. So, bonds. This is the market, man. This is the market. So, first we're going to take a look at the 10-year. 10-year is coming down, almost 1 million contracts. We're going into 1.5 million, 1.49 million. Bonds are going to need much more volume in order to break down here. I suspect that we're not going to break down. You know, bonds have gone down dramatically. They broke a B point of an ABC structure on the way down, but the way bonds are actually trading, it looks to me that it's not going to do the full price projection, and in fact, you're going to get a bounce out of here, and the 10-year is going to be back up to 126.30. Right now, we're at 124.31. The yield on the 10-year right now is 2.478. You need a mortgage, folks, go out there and get it. That's going to be a mortgage about a 30-year at about 4.9 to 4.95. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. Be coming right back. Dow up 70, NASDAQ down 27. S&P's a flat. We're going to be right back.